Hello guys. Good day to you. Got a new video today. This is a site where you can get income by selling photos. Its name is Adobe Stock. Okay, so in today's video we are talking about how to create an Adobe Stock account. So let's go to the video. First, go to Google and search for Adobe Stock Contributor. Then a result will come like this. You can go to the Adobe Stock site by clicking the link at the top of it. Now this is how you see the interface of this website. Okay, now we need an account to log into this. Let's see how to register for a new account. Click Join Now here. After that, you can give your email and a password of your choice. When making the password, you need to use lower and uppercase letters, numbers, and at least 8 numbers and letters. Now click Continue below. Next you add your first name, last name, and the year and month of your birth. Now click on Create Account below. Okay, now an email has been sent to the email you have given this way. Click it and you can verify your account. My account is now verified like this. Now when you click the Continue button, you will access adobe.com in this way. At the top end of this there is a small icon with 9 dots. Click one. It says Stock. Click on it. Now you will access the Adobe Stock website in this way. Now there is a button called Sell on the top right corner of your website interface. Now click it. Then an interface like this will appear. At the top end there is the icon of your profile. When you click on it, there is a link called Manage Account. Click one. Now you are logged in to Adobe account. You can see that there is a button called Edit Profile on the right corner. Click it. Now this is your profile. You can change the profile picture here. I won't change it now. Put a photo you like and change it. Okay, under that is the profile name. Enter your first name and last name. Now click the Save button. Next, you can add a name you like to Adobe screen name like this. Save that too. Next you can add your mobile phone number and another email if you have it with you. Next, if you want, you can change the languages. In addition, you can add another language. Fill it in properly. Now the basic settings of your account are done. Okay, the video is over here for today. You have to add images and fill the tax file. Okay, so I think you guys have created the account successfully. See you next in a video about how to add an image to this. Good day everyone. Share the video and subscribe to the channel.